Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to our channel Explore English with Aiza. In this lesson, we are going to learn WH questions. What are the most common types of questions in English? There are two common types of questions in English: WH questions and yes/no questions. For example, what's your favorite animal? It's a WH question because it starts with what. And do you like snakes? It's a yes/no question. What are WH questions in English? Let's learn. We use WH words to ask about different types of information. जब हमें मुख्तलिफ किस्म की मालूमात लेनी हो तो हम WH words का यूज़ करते हैं. But in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how can we make WH questions by using WH words. So please continue watching until the video concludes. The first WH word we have is who. Who is used to ask about a person. Who हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हमें किसी शख्स के बारे में पूछना हो. For example, वो शख्स कौन है. Okay, next is what. What is used to ask about a thing. What हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हमें किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में information लेनी हो. Next is where. Where is used to ask about a place. जब हमें किसी जगह के बारे में information लेनी हो तब हम where का इस्तेमाल करके question कर सकते हैं. Next is when. When is used to ask about time. When का यूज़ वहाँ होता है जहाँ हम वक्त या लम्हे की बात करें. For example, ऐसा कब हुआ या आपने मुझे कब देखा. एक specific time मालूम करने के लिए हम when का यूज़ करते हैं. Next is why. We use why to ask about a reason. किसी भी चीज़ की वजह मालूम करने के लिए, उस चीज़ का रीज़न मालूम करने के लिए हम why का इस्तेमाल करके क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. Next WH word we have is which. Which is used to ask about choices. जब हमें choices के बारे में मालूमात लेनी हो तो हम which यूज़ करके क्वेश्चन करते हैं. Next is how. We use how to ask about a way, manner or a form. For example, you can say कि आपने ये काम कैसे किया. जब हमें ये पूछना हो कि ये किस तरीके से हुआ या किस तरीके से किया गया तो हम वहाँ पर how यूज़ करते हैं. And last is whose. Whose is used to ask about possession. जब हमें किसी चीज़ की मिल्कियत मालूम करनी हो या मालूम करना हो कि उस चीज़ का ओनर कौन है, वो चीज़ किसकी मिल्कियत में है, तो वहाँ पर हम whose का यूज़ करते हैं. Alright? The answers to WH questions provide the information that we ask about. For example, what are you doing? I am studying. When do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. There are two common question patterns for the simple present tense in English. One common pattern is WH word plus do or does plus subject plus verb. An example of this question pattern is where do you live? Note, we use do does means helping verbs according to the subject. Okay, next another question pattern is WH word plus be plus subject. Be means is MR. Note again, we use is MR means helping verbs according to the subject. And the example of this question pattern is how are you? Let's look at some more examples of WH questions. First example, who is that boy? As you can see, she is asking about a person. Next example, what is in the box? The boy is asking about a thing that is in the box. Next example, where are you from? She is asking about a place. Next example, when does your roommate wake up? He is asking about time. Next is, why did you come late? The teacher is asking about the reason. Next example, how did you do this? She is asking about the way or manner. Which do you prefer, the red one or the blue one? She is asking about choices. Last example we have, whose car is this? The guard is asking about the owner of this car. This was our today's lesson. Thanks for watching and I hope you understood this lesson. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my videos.